Well, here's a story, a Lafayette Stereo 10A integrated amplifier with issues. Both channels are noisy. I'm monitoring the right channel. If you look on the scope, I'll bring up the volume. There's no input. I've got some dummy load resistors on there. You see that noise? I'm going to turn all the way down. There's still noise. I've determined that this pot is bad. It will not go to 0 ohms. It's around 450 ohms turned all the way down. Luckily, I have an original Japanese type 50K 6mm shaft pot to replace it with. Next issue, the left channel is clipped. I'm using an audio generator, monitoring on the scope. You can see the clipping. I believe the clipping and the noise that we're seeing is caused by these old electrolytic caps. You hear about it all the time. Guys recap these units and they take right back off. Let's see if that's the case. Alright, before I start the recap process, I'll be changing that right volume pot. Here is the phono amplifier board. You can see it's got 4 electrolytics on it. And over here is the main driver board. Not too many caps to replace. Question is, will it fix the problem? Alright, I changed out that volume pot. It's turned all the way down. You see I still have 646 ohms. That's why that channel would just remain noisy even at minimum volume. Well, here we go. I'm going to change out all these blue electrolytic caps and we'll see if the noise goes away. So changing out the caps did solve the noise issues, but now I still have that clipped output on the left channel. I did a little probing around, measured those output transformers, found that one of them has an open winding. So that is the end of the Lafayette project. Well, bummer on the Lafayette. I had high hopes for this little integrated amplifier, but obviously those output transformers would be impossible to get. So this thing will go on the shelf and await its repurposing.